Hi everyone, welcome to Michelin King live on YouTube. Merry Christmas to you all. Hopefully you're having a nice relaxing period coming up to the festive period. What I've got here for you today is the MK1000. This is our brand new dual action polisher. Now, big difference between this and previous offerings would be, as the name suggests, MK1000, it's a 1000 watt motor that's in this machine. It's a dual action machine, which means that it's exceptionally safe to use on paint. It's a 15mm throw. That means roughly, I don't know if you can, quite difficult to see. So it throws 15mm from the centre, or oscillates 15mm from the centre. I can see quite clearly that that's 15mm because it's on the, I guess you would call the north axis. And then obviously there you can see it's just shy because it's at that point when we switched it off it was thrown up the way. Other big differences, you've got the finger grip at the front, so you'd hold the machine typically like this. A lot easier to hold than just the flat bit of ABS that was there before. So that's a change. You've got vent holes as well. This is why we can offer a longer warranty. Just the machine, the biggest thing within the machine is moving parts, so if you can reduce the heat of that, then you can increase the longevity. The other thing that we did with this machine is that we sourced the ball bearings, the moving parts of the machine from Britain. So that's another big change as well. And obviously, as you see, you've got the extra long cable there as well. So worth a mention as well is the moulded plug. I quite like this just because, especially with machines, when you're machining, you'll get a set of earbuds like these. So obviously if you have these in, you're maybe less aware that when the plug is in the socket that you might be pulling on the plug. So with the fully moulded plug, it just makes that connection of the wire, it's a permanent connection, rather than, say, if we use this as an example, as you can see the wire there, if you pull on that, it's one of the extractor fans for the office, but it's a good example of a non-moulded plug. So there's the upgrade of that with our machine as well. 5-inch backing plate on there. 5 inch is absolutely ideal. Obviously it's a UK product. Just read out some of the tech spec for you. It's a 220 volt to 240 volt. Obviously, as I've stated, a 1000 watt motor, and it's 1800 to 4800 as well. The other thing that's good about this machine is it's a soft start as well. In addition to that, you've obviously got the button there. That just means you don't have to hold the main start button in all the time. You can just push this secondary button that holds it in for you. To release it, just press the start button, pops back out again. Nice thing that I really like about this machine is you've got the speed control on the side rather than on the top, because personally what I find is that area there starts to get quite fatigued with the button on the top, whereas at the side it's a much more natural position for the hand ergonomically. My background is mechanical engineering, so there is a lot of thought, ergonomics go into this machine. This is why we've slightly redesigned the front of the machine, the main body as well, and obviously relocated the speed setting. The nice thing with the dual action is the more you use it, the more you'll get used to the speed. With a rotary, it's more important to know the speed that you're at all the time. But with a dual action, there's a lot more freedom with it, it's a lot safer. The nice thing with the 1000 watt is those of you with slightly tougher paint, such as the BMWs, the Mercedes, the Audis, Bugattis, VAG paint, that type of thing, you'll know yourself if you've got the tougher paint. this is the machine you want. The professionals that we've worked with that we've basically worked with to bring this machine to you, this is the one that they would go for in terms of power, ease of use, ease of handling. Sometimes you find something that's a good size in the hand, a lot easier to control than maybe something that's a bit smaller. And the throw is ideal at the 15mm. The options when we were prototyping this, we could have went for the 21mm as well, or we could have went for the 12mm. Bearing in mind that our mini DA is an 8mm throw, this had to be a 15, because the 12 there's only 2mm of a difference, whereas with this being the 15, for major correction work or any type of correction work, this is what you're going to opt for, the 15mm. The 21mm, for the majority of the cars that we work on, it's too big. The 15mm is ideal. The 21, yes, it covers more paint, but that's not always the primary concern. The primary concern is getting the best finish, and we achieved the best finish with the 15mm on the bigger panels. We use the mini DA, which is the 8mm, for the smaller panels. So there you go. So it's live on the website just now. It comes in a variety of kits. First of all, it comes with the machine as you see it here. If you buy it on its own, you'll also get, this is a live order, so I'll just open this to let you see. You also get a polishing pad like this, 5-inch, and you'll also get one of the edgeless cloths as well. So that's the first kit, or essentially if you buy the polisher, this is what you get with it. You get the cloth and the pad. Now, there's other kits available. If you already have polishes, all polishes will be compatible with this machine. If you've already got polishes, then you can get the 5-step polishing pads. So you've got the medium polishing pad, which probably most of us will reach for. You've got the pad that I would use for applying wax or Bavaria or seal, any type of coating really. Then you've got the cutting pad, you've got the extra dense cutting pad. This is for or you would use this type of pad for sanding marks, that type of thing. And then I'm just delving into all the pads that we've got sitting here. You've also got the glaze pad as well, that's the blue one. So you get all of these pads within the kit, and obviously you still get the complimentary pad and cloth with everything, with any kit that you purchase. In addition to this, you can, if you've got pads, say if you've already got 5-inch pads, you just want a new machine, you might not have polishes or you want to try new polishes, there's an option for polishes on their own with the machine. So you've got the heavy cut polish there. Comes with the dispenser on the top. It's a lot neater than the dropper bottle, and it basically saves you damaging the bottle. It'll last longer as well. You've got the medium cut. I would say most people will probably opt for a medium cut with maybe an orange pad to start with. An orange pad in our range is the light cutting pad, so that's probably something that you would start off with. And then this is a specific to Michelin King. It's a dualing polish. So basically what this does is really increases your gloss, and the 15mm dual action is one of the ideal machines to use for that. So thank you very much for your time. If you've got any questions, please let me know, and I hope to be fulfilling your order soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.